As minister, and as would be seen in the press today, I did have a meeting last Sunday with a number of persons who represented the Truckers Association or the Coming Truckers Association here in St. Martin, who expressed the challenges that the total enforcement of the law poses for them between the hours that are stipulated in the law, 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., and then again from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. So what the proposal says, and I would ask forgiveness because I recognize after the article was published that it did not focus in or expound on where restrictions do apply. So those restrictions are applicable in our school districts, okay? This particular, and if we look on the screen, we would be able to see where those school districts are outlined. They are in areas such as in Phillipsburg, aspects of certain streets in Phillipsburg, Dutch cul-de-sac, St. Peter's, Ebenezer, South Reward. There's particular streets in K Hill as well as K Bay, Cole Bay, Simpson Bay, Coopercoy, and Belvedere. Okay, those specific areas that are recognized as school zones, the law is strict. So there is no movement of heavy equipment between 6:30 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. During weekdays, as well as 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. All right. Some clarification, media information will be shared so that everybody is clear what this is. And this ministerial decree that I signed will be shared as well for clarity. So, meeting with them, let me give you an example. When the airport as well indicates to you that our fuel facility is not on the compound, so it's not at the airport. So movement needs to happen between K Bay, where the fuel plants are, to the airport. We need to be able to recognize the type of aviation activity we have all day, every day. Certain aspects where heavy construction is going on right now, and those are not in the school districts. That's where the ease, this 6 months evaluation ease comes from. But the truckers will also express that the reason for the enforcement of the law came from the outcry of the public. The public expressed that the manner in which truckers drive, the high speed, the recklessness, etc., these things were discussed. And the discussions are ongoing because we talked about them having an association so that government as well as private entities who may want to have discussions about certain behavior or concerns would know exactly who they can contact to have these discussions.